Mothers, you are the heart of the family. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your TLC, tender loving care. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Yes, today we're making spinach stew with a twist. Kontomire fro. Yes, sesame kakra. So here I have my palm oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using Zome. You add in your chopped onions. Here I have anise seeds, pepper, garlic, and ginger. And this is the twist. So here I boiled or cooked my cured fish with my tomatoes. Took all the bones out and then did what? Blended. Now I'm adding my blended tomatoes and my cured fish. That's Kobe. And this gives the stew volume. And the taste was amazing. And because the tomatoes was already cooked, you don't have to wait for it to cook for a long time. It's cooked already. So this was so simple and the easiest stew ever. Yes, so I added some canned mackerel. Now I'm adding my spinach. You see how fast it is? So simple, but I'm telling you, you taste, because I don't like the bones. I don't like bones in my food, especially fish. No. And in this case, your kids can enjoy it with you. Yes, and I'm telling you, the Kobe was all over in the stew. Like you smell it, the aroma of the Kobe. The way we enjoy this stew, I'm not gonna say it here. Please try some and let me know. You'll thank me later. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Mother's Day from Glorious Ambrasia Kitchen with love.
Efana sana mekosonom Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye en same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onyanware ye eja esujani unyo obi no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi ena ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa ammo ano kama na yenkoi na